and welcome to the Angry Bird Show! Woo! 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 So, what do you want to do today? What, guys? What do you think? I don't know. So, where should we go? The park! Let's go to the park! Yeah! Yeah! Okay. Where's the park? I think, yeah, the park is that way. Let's go. Oh, wait, guys. Okay, so the park is over there, right? I hope so. Let's go see if our friends are there. Look, and they're there. Look. Woo! Hi, guys. Yay! Yay! Okay, wait. Oh no. Whoa. It's the mean polar bear. Look, over there. Ah! Ah! Oh no, what should we do? Fight him. Let's show you him. Look at him. Look at the mean face. Look at the mean face. Look at it. Okay, when I say turn back, you turn back. Turn back. So, oh my God, yeah. So now, I'm gonna slingshot. Ready? Set, go. And it missed. It's okay, Stella. You can hop off the stage. No. Bye. Next is Hal. Yeah. Oh, Hal missed him. No. Bye, guys. Next is Chuck. Chuck might not be able to film Chuck all the way because he's so fast. Ready, set. Yeah. Bye, guys. Next is him. Wow. Ooh. Oh no, he forgot to stand up. Well, adios, people. I think he got me. Okay, let me stand up. Let's go see Red. Okay, Red, come on. Yes. Bye, guys. Now, the bluebird. Ah! Oh, and he misses. Bye. Now, it's his turn to jump away. Bye. And thank you for watching the Angry Bird Show.